Hello and welcome back to Aarav HQ. Today we're diving into one of the most fundamental topics in algebra, polynomial operations. Whether you're adding, subtracting, or multiplying, understanding how to work with polynomials is essential for higher math. And the best part? It's easier than you think. Let's get started. Let's start with addition. When adding polynomials, the key rule is simple: combine like terms. Like terms are terms that have the same variable raised to the same power. First, the x squared terms. 3x squared plus 5x squared gives us 8x squared. Next, the x terms. 2x minus 3x equals negative x. And finally, the constant terms. 1 plus 4 equals 5. So our answer is 8x squared minus x plus 5. That's it. Just match up the like terms and combine. Now, subtraction is where students often make mistakes. The trick is to distribute the negative sign to every term in the second polynomial before you combine. When we distribute that negative, our second polynomial becomes negative 2x squared minus x minus 3. 5x squared minus 2x squared is 3x squared. 4x minus x is 3x. And negative 2 minus 3 is negative 5. So we get 3x squared plus 3x minus 5. Remember, distribute the negative first. Multiplication requires a distributive property. We need to multiply every term in the first polynomial by every term in the second polynomial. So we're multiplying x plus 2 by x plus 3. Let's break it down step by step. X times x, which gives us x squared. Then x times 3 is 3x. Next, 2 times x is 2x. And finally, 2 times 3 is 6. Now we combine the like terms. 3x plus 2x equals 5x. So x squared plus 5x plus 6 is our answer. This is called the FOIL method for binomials, but it works for any polynomials. Let me show you a visual way to remember how to multiply binomials. It's called the FOIL method, and it stands for first, outer, inner, last. F is for first. Multiply the first terms of each binomial, which gives us a times c. O is for outer. Multiply the outer terms. A times d. I is for inner. Multiply the inner terms. B times c. And L is for last. Multiply the last terms. B times d. Then we just add them all together. AC plus add plus BC plus BD. FOIL is especially useful for binomials, but remember, the distributive property works for any polynomials, not just two-term expressions. Alright, let's wrap this up with a quick summary. For addition, combine like terms. Simple and straightforward. For subtraction, distribute the negative sign first. Then combine like terms for multiplication, distribute every term to every term. Use FOIL for binomials, and remember the distributive property works for all polynomials. That's it. You've got all the tools you need to work with polynomials. Practice these, and it'll become second nature. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Aarav HQ for more math tutorials, and drop a comment below if there's a topic you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.